Hi everyone, welcome to the 1111 Development Monthly Progress Update. My name is Kosi Avoshinu, Site Manager at Desimoni Limited, and I'm here to give you an overview of what you've done so far and what you are intending to do in the days ahead. Work is going on smoothly and we are on track to meet our deadlines. So here I am in front of the Block 1, the first unit, which is the showroom, which is beautifully completed. Come with me to see what has been done. This is the first unit of the Block 1, the mock-up unit. As you can see, everything is almost done here. You have the wall painted and the furniture also is at place. You can see the beautiful kitchen cabinet that you have and the lighting, the ambient light as well. Everything is really at place and as planned. So, related to the other units, the unit 2 and 3 of the Block 1, works are also still in progress. We've made a lot of improvement related to the ceiling works, and the HVAC is also going to be completed as soon as possible, so that we close part of the ceilings that are left open and start as well with the tiling works and the other finishing works. Block 2 and 3, externally, we're almost done with the skimming works. Internally, ceiling works is in progress, and we will continue as well with the tiling. We will do the final painting and have the setup as the way you are seeing it here. At the Block 4, progress has been significant. We are done with all the columns at the ground floor levels, and we are also done with the first floor slab that is even casted at this stage. So we will continue with the setting out of the columns at the first floor level. After the setting out of the columns, we will do the form works and the decking that will take the second floor slab. At the Block 5, we are doing the formwork for the columns at the ground floor level, and after the formwork, we will cast all the columns and also start the decking for the first floor level. Block 6, we are ready to start with the reinforcement works for the columns at the ground floor level. After the reinforcement works, we'll do our form works, cast all the columns, and start with the decking that is going to be the first floor slab. Thank you very much for being with us throughout this update. We hope you've really enjoyed it. See you next time for another interesting update.